Hey there. Today we are going to do four things. First, we will find an event using the query builder. Then we will export that event, and we're going to focus on people. So we're going to get the people out of that event. The third thing is downloading it from the email. And the last thing is to upload that file into Microsoft 365 so you can use it on the online version of Excel. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and use the query builder to find that event. In this example, I want to find all of the workshops that were environmental justice based for 2023. So let's go ahead and do that. On the right side of the screen, I'm going to make sure that I have just events checked off because I'm looking for an event. We're going to use the info tab to narrow this down. And I'm going to use this little search bar to find those tags. So the first one is workshop. We know we need to find the workshops. We also wanted them to be environmental justice. And lastly, we only want to focus on the year of 2023. So I'm going to use the event start date to do that. And I'm going to enter that date range. So the 1st of 2023 to the 31st of December. And I'm going to click on this little button here that says having any. And I'm going to make sure it says having all, meaning that it must have all three of these things for it to pop up. I'm going to run this query. And we have our 13 environmental justice workshops that were run in 2023. Okay, so now I want to export data from here. And in this example, I want to take all of the people that were a part of these workshops. And to do that, we need to export the connections. So first, we'll use this export button. And the screen should look like this. At the top, to get the people out, or the connections, you'll click on Specialized Export. And at the bottom, you'll see a Connections button. Then you click this drop-down menu and click on People. Okay, so process export. And now the system should send you an email with a link to that file. I already have my email open over here, and we'll go ahead and download it. So you'll go ahead and open up your email. I'm going to click here. So you'll notice it sends you this email. Your report is ready. I'm going to click on it. And the most recent one I have is 0 minutes ago. So it's this one here. And typically you can just click on this and it should download. If that doesn't work for you, go ahead and right click on it and click Save Link As. Find somewhere that makes sense on your computer to save it. I have a folder on my computer under Arise called Report 2023 EJ Workshops. So I'm going to save it here, and I'm actually going to give it a different name. So I'm going to call it 2023 EJ Workshops, and then people. So I'm going to save that here. And now it is on my computer. So the last step that we want to do is open this up in Microsoft 365 so that way you can use it on the online version of Excel. Okay, so I'm in Microsoft 365 and I'm on my home screen, and we want to go ahead and open the file. This is an Excel file, so I'm going to go to the Excel tab on the left. From here, there's a little upload button on the right side, and I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to find our file. And you'll notice I have a couple different ones. This is the importance of giving it a good name so you can find it more easily. So I'm going to click on this one and click on open. Okay, so it's already been uploaded, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. And you should be able to see it from there now. Something I like to do when I first open up a workbook like this is to highlight all of the cells by clicking the upper left-hand corner, this little triangle, and double-clicking between the first two columns. And this just correctly sizes all the columns so I can read them and I can see what's inside. So I hope that helps, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.